I try to sing a song that has no beginning.
I try.
Yet I try. I try to sing a song that has no ending. For it begins and ends with my mother. My mother was a black woman.
My mother was a Zulu woman.
My mother was a determined woman. My mother was a humble woman. My mother was a Zulu woman. Eselele kobandayo kimi kyantsontsotha kyaqaqamba leminjunju yenjulo iyejabhisa ayilethi kujabula nakujokola ngijula njalo ngijubalale njengejuba ngamaphupho nezimfuno zami ngiboshiwe ngamaketanga. It's this Persian paradigm that's brainwashed my teacher who said, Isilungu yiso, yisimpela mntana. Do not read, write, think, or speak in your mother tongue. Hayi ngesiZulu, ngesiXhosa, ngesisuthu, ngesiTsonga, ngesitswana. Akisabuwa he kasichwini sikwe. It has a barbaric identity. It has no place in this. Isilungu yiso, yisimpela mntanami. My beliefs are labeled as useless superstition. They are devalued and undermined. It's all the lies my teacher told me, shoving down my throat European identity, snatching away my Africanness, leading me to the valley of the shadow of identity death, convincing me they are the parts of righteousness, sizing my being into a textbook, forcing me to read between the lines. We are a generation raised with lies, children of high rationality. We hang by a thread unto Koboletu. We are drowning in European traditions we don't even understand. Antina kimang, antina he, kitswakai. It's all the lies my teacher told me. Today I swim in the river of fire. I climbed on trees. I even swallow scorpions, but straight on the backgrounds, my identity. Ukobolwami minango. Instead of calling me Cynthia, instead of calling me Caroline, can't you say ngingunzimande kamdladla owagwaza inkomo zemdladleni wagqabana nophepheletsheni lathi lizomhlabanela isidlidikazi saphembela amachulu umlilo umgabadelo owagabadela inkundla kabulawayo uzibula kadelo wazibula ngendoda enkulu abafokazana bezibula ngenkankazana. Can't you just call me that? Namuhla ngiwumhambuma inhleka bayena uvuma zonke. It's all the lies my teacher told me when he said, Isilungu yiso, yisimpela mntana.